Hey guys, Armageddon here. Today we're going to be going over a quick tutorial about your Elgato flashing red and how to fix it. When I first got my Elgato, I had the same issue and I was super scared. I couldn't get it to work. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it really fast, really quick, really simple. So if you didn't already know, I am streaming on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9:30 Pacific time. So after this tutorial, if you want to check somebody out, there's the information. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, it's super simple. All you do is scroll over to your settings and then go all the way down to system, and then all it is, super simple, just make sure this box is unchecked. And as soon as you do that, plug in your Elgato and everything will be working perfectly. Well guys, that's it for the tutorial. Just want to make it short and sweet, so there you go. As always, have a good day.